I recently came across PodBloom, a device that claims to make washing fruits and vegetables easier by using electrolysis to remove pesticides. The ads are convincing, the concept sounds like a smart kitchen upgrade, and it promises to eliminate the need for vinegar or chemical washes. But when I started researching the product, I couldn't actually find any information on this specific device, and what I did find about similar products raises serious concerns. Quick disclaimer, this is my personal research and opinion, for informational and educational purposes only. PodBloom is designed to sit inside a bowl or container filled with water and produce. The company promotes it as a hands-free cleaning solution that doesn't require vinegar, sprays, or traditional cleaning products. Citation 0. The marketing focuses heavily on removing unwanted substances from the surface of fruits and vegetables through electrolysis technology. The convenience is appealing. Place your produce in water, turn on the device, and let it run while you handle other tasks. When I searched for PodBloom, I found a serious problem. The product doesn't appear to exist under that name. Searching for PodBloom or PodBloom Produce Cleaner returns 0 results for the device you're asking about. Instead, search results show unrelated products like PopBloom, aquarium lights for coral reefs, InBloom, hydroponic seed pods, BloomBuddy, organic fertilizers, and ZBloom, coffee makers. None of these have anything to do with a produce cleaning device. A legitimate product should appear in search results under its own name. The fact that PodBloom doesn't exist in any independent context suggests it may be a generic product being sold under a made-up name, or the product may not be what it claims to be. If a product name leads to completely unrelated results, you can't verify independent customer experiences for the specific product you're considering. Although PodBloom doesn't appear in my research, I found a pattern of similar websites that raise red flags. A site called PodBloom.online has a ScamAdvisor trust score of 1 out of 100. The domain is only 3 months old, has very low visitor traffic, and has been reported for phishing and suspicious activity. Another site, PeptideBloom.com, has a low trust score with hidden ownership and a very young domain. These sites share the same Bloom naming pattern, and they've been flagged as potentially fraudulent. Watchlist Internet, a consumer protection platform, issued a warning about PetBloom.de, noting that while it's not a fake shop, it leads to long delivery times, additional costs, problems with returns, and inferior quality goods. This matches the pattern of low-quality operations that take your money but deliver poor or no products. The Bloom naming convention appears across multiple questionable or scam-adjacent websites. This is a common tactic. Scam operators use similar-sounding names to confuse shoppers and avoid detection. A BBB complaint also documents a scam involving a company named PageBloom Publishing that took $9,000 for services and then ignored refund requests. The complaint notes the company used a virtual address in New York and is likely based overseas. This demonstrates the pattern: a name with Bloom in it, a professional website, and then no follow-through. A product that doesn't appear in search results under its own name, and is instead mixed up with aquarium lights, hydroponic seed pods, coffee makers, and scam-adjacent Bloom domains, is a significant red flag. You cannot independently verify whether this device works, whether customers actually receive what they order, or how the company handles refunds. Based on the available evidence, I cannot confirm that PodBloom is a legitimate, independently verified product. The product name doesn't appear in search results, and the Bloom naming pattern is associated with scam-adjacent operations. The device may be a real product, but it's buried under unrelated search results, making it impossible to verify real-world performance. If you want a produce cleaner, buy from an established brand with independent reviews and transparent customer service. If you've already ordered PodBloom, check your bank statements and contact your payment provider if the product doesn't arrive or doesn't work as advertised. Have you tried PodBloom or a similar produce cleaner? Drop your experience in the comments. I read every one. And if you found this research helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next investigation.